got some bundles. I gotta get that ratchet stuff out of me. I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working on it. I got some bundles, B. Yes, honey. I've been waiting to get some bundles, y'all. I'm excited. It's like it's Christmas. Yes. Y'all, something's like seriously wrong with me, like for real. The hair that I'm going to be reviewing today is hair that I've had already. So the hair company is Kendrasboutique. I told you all on a previous video that I really love this hair, but I haven't had it installed in my own head in since about 2 years now. So the only hair that I've been using recently is Style Pro and True Glories, and I haven't had Kendrasboutique in about 2 years, like I said before. Why do I keep saying that? Okay, I haven't had that hair in a while, y'all. So the last time I had it, it was some good hair, and I really liked the hair, but I haven't had it in a while, so I don't know if the hair is still good. I don't know if it's gotten bad. I don't know if it's gotten better. So that is, well, today is just going to be an initial unboxing review. I will be doing a 1 month update. Actually, this is probably going to be like a series. I'm probably going to make this a series video. I'm going to do the unboxing of Kendrasboutique today, and then I am going to dye the hair because I'm dyeing it jet black, and then I'm going to do a video on that. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see that video. Well, I'm gonna upload it anyway, regardless of if y'all want to see it. I'm going to dye these bundles jet black, and then I'm going to do a video on me probably not installing my whole head, but how I prep for my sew-ins. And then I'm going to do a video on installing it, and then my last final review is going to be on a 1 month update of the Kendrasboutique hair. So it's probably going to be a 5-part series. Of course, it's not going to be uploaded back to back like that, because of course I'm not going to take a whole month before I get back on here to review. So it's just going to be, I guess, part 1 and part 2 like that. I'll probably name it something like that, or series 1. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna get it together, but it's going to be a 5-part thing, and it's just going to be all centered around me installing this Kendrasboutique hair. And also, you can follow her on Instagram at kendrasboutique.com. What the hell am I talking about? Kendrasboutique.com. You can follow her on Instagram at Kendrasboutique. And I'm just going to have it listed right here so you all can go find her. I'm not going to link it down below because I'm not getting no coinage from this. Like, I mean, I ain't getting no coins from this. So I'm not linking the link below. But you all can go find her on Instagram. I know y'all probably like, she need to shut up talking and just like unbox. Okay. So this is the packaging that it came in. It came from USPS. I ordered this hair about 4 days ago, and it's already here, y'all. And I didn't pay for any express shipping or anything. I got the regular shipping, and I think it was $12 for the 5 to 7 business days shipping, and then it was $22 if you want to express shipping. But I would say don't get that unless you just in dying need of your hair, like you got something big planned and you need your hair right away. But if you don't need your hair right away, or even it came real fast, so I wouldn't suggest paying that unless you just really need it. But it came in, I ordered it 4 days ago. It shipped by the next day or 2 days later, I believe, and it came today. So a 4-day time frame for me that my hair came from ordering to it's at my door. 4-day time frame to get into cutting this bag up, honey. I'm opening it with y'all. I ain't opened it already, none of that. I'm kind of scared, y'all, because I haven't had this hair in a while. Like, I don't know. Okay, here's a little brochure with with black china, and then there's her bundles deal that she has, Kendrasboutique's bundle deals that she has. And then she has like a pamphlet, and she just has like how you can take care of the hair and products you can use that she has too as well. But I won't be using her products because I don't trust her about products. I don't trust everybody's hair. I don't trust everybody's products. But do your thing, Gary. Do your thing. And that's it, y'all. As far as the other little stuff in the bag. And here are the bundles, honey. Yes, these are the bundles. I got the Brazilian body wave hair. And I got 4 bundles. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Kendra. Oh, y'all, it is so soft, y'all. It's super soft. And it's like a, I'm trying to let y'all see from the back. It's real soft, y'all. And it's the Brazilian body wave, y'all. And it's very bouncy. Oh, honey, yes, this is definitely gonna be in need of a good washing. These are the wefts, y'all. This is the 24-inch. And then it is really long, y'all. Like, it is long, child, honey. Yes, I'm having my triple bundles in for my birthday. Yes. These are the ends. Okay. Come through, Kendra. It is kind of frizzy, but I know how to tame that frizziness, honey. So it gets a little thinner towards the end of the bundle. Of course, it has more thickness and more fullness towards the top of the bundle, but this is how thick one bundle is, y'all, and this is the 24. And I know people like to say, is it shedding? I can't tell you if it sheds in the bundle. I can't tell you, oh, it's shedding first. Okay, I just got a little string just then. But all hair sheds. That's just is what it is. All hair sheds. It doesn't really have like a real wave pattern, really. It's just like, I don't know. So me personally, y'all, I don't really care for a wave pattern that much, and then maybe when I wash it, it'll probably get back to a wavy state. But honestly, you guys, I always go for the straight bundles. I just said I wanted to go for some body wave bundles this time because I want to start curling my hair a lot more, because I always wear my hair straight, as you can see in my videos. Even when I do some of my curling videos, like, I literally like take down my curls or wash out my curls or straighten my curls the very next day. I don't have curls in at all. So I don't really care that much that the hair doesn't have really much of a wave pattern. But if that's something that you're interested in and that's something that you're really looking for, I would suggest getting a tighter wave pattern. I was going to get the loose wave bundles, thinking maybe that will have like a more of a better curl. I wanted to have a looser wave, but I didn't want it to be this damn loose. I mean, damn, Kendra, this ain't got no wave pattern, Lord. But it's soft, y'all. It's soft. Okay, I guess I'm gonna show y'all every bundle. This is the 22-inch, y'all. Okay, and this one, I guess it's supposed to kind of like wrap around. I think when the body wave wraps around, it has a better curl pattern when you do wet it and condition it versus that little S curl wave pattern. I don't really like that wave pattern that much, because those definitely don't last when you straighten your hair. But I feel like your hair will stand a better chance reverting back to this wave pattern when it comes in like a wraparound wave pattern like this. This one is full all the way down, y'all. Like the ends of the hair, and it's pretty full all the way down. And then this is the width. This one, of course, is thicker because this is the shorter bundle, and then this one is a little bit thinner. And here is the second 24-inch. These are the wefts. If you all can see right here, I really do not like for my bundles to have like beards. I call them beards. I just got done doing my makeup. And also, if y'all want to see this makeup tutorial, y'all make sure y'all tune into my other video to get this beak, honey. Anyways, y'all, I don't really care for the hair to have this beard like this, because I feel like when I install my hair and once I go around my leave out, because I always get leave outs, I don't really wear frontals and lace closures. I'm definitely going to get into that though. Probably at the end of this year, maybe I'm going to get into lace closures and frontals, but for now I'm doing leave outs, okay? And the reason that I don't like these beards, y'all, is because once you go around your leave out with that last track, when you have these beards, it kind of leaves like split ends once you lay your hair down. But because I know how to lay my hair down, I won't really have a problem with it. But for people that don't know how to blend their hair, what you need to tune into another video to see that as well, y'all. Tune into my videos, watch me, honey. Watch how to blend that leave out. I know how to lay these flyaways down, but they are frustrating still trying to lay down, because they're not as easy to lay down. Because, like, can y'all see that? Like, can y'all see that part right there? I don't like that. I don't like the little split end beard thing. I don't ever be digging that. I hate it so much. But this is the other 24 inch. And then these are the ends. The ends look pretty nice, y'all. And then this is the 22 inch, you guys. And this one definitely doesn't have much of a wave pattern to it. Like, it ain't even really wrapping around, really. It don't have a wave pattern at all. And then these are the ends of the 22 inch. It got some nice ends, y'all. It don't look like it's gonna be brittle like True Glory's hair was. Their hair was brutal at the end. But I don't know how this is going to do when I bleach it. I'm experiencing a little bit of shedding while I'm running my hair through it. But again, that's just something that comes with all hair sheds. Another thing that I wanted to mention that I forgot to mention, guys, is that my hair, I did not get this hair on any type of sale or anything. I got this hair at regular price. Again, as you all can see, I got two 24s and two 22 inches. And the reason that I like to layer my bundles that way instead of 20, 22, 24, 26 is because I feel like I always like to have two of the same longest bundles, because if you have one of the longest bundles, it will look very thin. So you all know that how long bundles get kind of thin towards the end. You want to layer it with two of the same longest bundles so your bundles won't look as thin. I hate thin bundles. That's why I got 4, because I hate when my hair looks thin. These are all the bundles together, y'all, and it looks very, very thick, very, very full. And it do stink a little bit, y'all. Yes, it smells like a little toenails a little bit, okay? It do stink a little bit, but it's nothing, it's not a smell that I can't get rid of. I'm sure when I wash my hair, I like to shampoo my hair twice anyways. And then I think when you dye your hair, it kind of wears off the smell too a little bit. Can y'all comment down below why virgin hair stink? Comment that down below. Is it because it's from like I know that maybe they from somebody else's head, but they don't wash their hair? Like, y'all don't wash y'all hair? No, these are the 22s over here, and then these are the 24s. So their wefts are about the same size. It equals up. It equals up, y'all. This 24 inch, y'all, is coming down to like, it's coming down to like my waist, towards the end of my waist, and I'm about 5'6"-ish, 5'5.5"-ish, and it's coming down to about my waist. So I don't really like for my hair to be really, really long. I don't want it to go past my booty. I don't like that. That's just too much. And I'm probably going to end up clipping some of it a little bit anyways, probably after my second install. I think I was telling y'all about the price. So she has bundle deals, and then she has specials for different holidays and stuff, but I didn't get her bundles on any specials or anything. I paid regular price for it, and it came to $350 for the 224s and the 222s. And then once I got the regular shipping, it came to $362 because the shipping was $12. It was fast shipping. I'm not sure how her customer service is. She seems pretty nice on Instagram. She comments back to her followers fairly fast on her Instagram. She doesn't really seem real, you know, like she too bougie to, you know, comment back to y'all, because some of these hair companies be acting like they too bougie and too busy to respond. Like, I'm giving you my coin, you better respond, lady. But she don't act like she too bougie to respond. So I think her customer service is good. I've never had a problem with her to have to engage with her in that way. So guys, I guess that's the end of my unboxing and initial review. Like I said, you all stay tuned for me. The next video, I'm going to be dyeing my hair jet black, so stay tuned for that video. And then after that video, I'm going to be doing how I prep for an install. And the video after that, I'm going to have my actual install in and me styling it. And then the last video will be my 1 month update, and I'm going to be giving you all the final review on how I feel about the hair. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you all subscribe to my channel. Please make sure that you click on one of these other videos before you leave and go visit someone else's channel. Watch another one of my videos. Watch it fully throughout the video. Watch it in full. Don't click off after 2 minutes because you done got tired of me talking. I like to talk a little bit. Not really. I'm really antisocial, y'all. Anyways, y'all, I don't know. I'm rambling, y'all. I'm sleepy, okay? I love you all. Make sure you thumbs up this video. I know I keep saying that. I love y'all. Bye.